Hey, what's up guys? ArtDude47 here, and I am back for another devlog video. As you may recall from the last devlog, the next step here was going on dates with NPCs. So you'll see I've got the game running in the background, and there's a few things. So this week I decided I would work on some art. So I've got art for the player's bedroom here. It's probably still temporary art. There's going to be tweaks and upgrades to it, things like that. But we will go ahead and work out to meet the NPC. You'll see we've got a local park scene, and we've got a temporary NPC sprite. So test NPC now has a sprite. We've got a track where we will go do the running. And then back in the bedroom, we should be able to phone call the test NPC. We'll ask for a date tomorrow, and we'll just do the local park. So we'll say, do you want to go to the local park with me on January 10th? Oh, a date? Sure, I would love to go. Don't forget or I'll be mad. And then the player says, yay, a date with test NPC. Next day it should say, yep, now we've got a date with test NPC today. So now it is recording the date, and it knows when the day has come. So from here we really just need to make it so we can actually go on the date. So that's what I'm going to work on next. Might add some more art in between, but for now I'm going to work on going on the date and actually completing the date. So I will check back in once I've got updates on that. Alright, so we're making a little progress here, guys. What I've done is I actually went ahead and made it so there's just a date already scheduled on the first day of the game, so that way I can debug a little better. So we'll go on the date. We should meet at the local park. If we go to the park, we'll get one of two intros. This one is that the NPC isn't here yet. Hopefully she hasn't forgotten about us. Then she shows up, just says she's sorry she's late. Hopefully you weren't waiting too long. And the player says it's fine, I just got here. Let's go sit over by the fountain. This one is now pulling the date dialogue specific for the location we're at. Okay, let's go. And then she'll ask, isn't the park just beautiful this time of year? Now, this is where I am focusing on the last part of what I am doing, because here it should ask the player to choose a response. Just like Tokimeki Memorial, you'll get 3 responses. They'll be good, bad, neutral. And then you'll get a chance to see how that affected your relationship with the NPC at the end of the date. But right now, that just restarts back to the beginning of the dialogue since there is no end dialogue. So that's what I'm working on next, and I'll check in once I've got it done. Alright guys, I'm back here with the last update for the week. I've got the dating system in a pretty good spot. It's pretty similar to how Tokimeki works now, so we will go ahead and go on the date. We'll meet at the local park. This time we've got the NPCs here waiting. Hopefully I wasn't too late. Hey, test NPC, I'm sorry I was late. It's okay, I just got here. Let's go sit over by the fountain. Okay, let's go. In the park, just beautiful this time of year. And I'm gonna say all of the ducks are making me hungry. Ew, what an awful thing to say. Looks like I made a terrible impression. I'm ready to go home now. I'll see you later. And now it's Monday, and we get what should we focus on. So it basically works the same way as Tokimeki now. There's the introduction, which is the player's late, the NPC's late. It chooses randomly between the available. Those are the only 2 available right now, but I may add some more. And then there's the date itself, which also chooses a random one based on the ones that are available. But right now I've only written the one for the park. Eventually there will be like 2 or 3 dates per location, plus a random assortment of different options for the player to say. But right now, that's all there is. So then you choose your response, and the NPC replies to indicate to you whether your response was good or not. And then at the end, she'll say like, alright, I'll see you later. At that point, her expression will update to show you any changes in her mood based on the date. But we haven't gotten there yet, so that'll be what we're working on. Probably next week we'll get to that. But in the meantime, I do thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to keep up with development, and I'll see you in the next one.